All right, back we go. Zoom is cutting out. Is it working? Is it not working? Looks like it's recording. All right, it is Monday, August 30th, 4:41. The market has been closed. Looking over some stocks, um, some recent stocks, some stocks that are moving. Let's take a look at KPLT. I called this one, I believe, in stocks, but I don't know if I made a video. Um, from this move, this was sideways for over a year, and it exploded in January 2021. Look at this move all the way up to 19, back and forth like a W, and then came back very strong, 13, below 13, 12, sideways, went down again, and nice little bounce here in May. Sort of sideways bounce, another little bounce, and then really dropped the gap. The big gap down, open gap, went all the way to the 3 level, excuse me. So after these big red candles, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sideways. Then today really exploded with 91 million in volume. And what is the news here? Was there news today? All kinds of lawsuits. If you go on any stock site or anything like that, they'll have investors, relations, or amount of class action lawsuit because people bought very high and it went very low, and now they're stuck. A lot of these penny stocks. That's why you got to be careful. I don't see any news in this. If anyone has news, let me know because I don't see anything. I'm just looking at FinViz real quick. So the big gap down move here. The first thing you want on a gap down is the bottom of the gap, which is going to be, 588 right here. The high of the candle, maybe this part, the open and close of the candle. So, right here, you're going to watch where that's what you want. And what this exactly did, it went right to there, pretty much to a T, right to there. Look at that. That's where they brought it back. So, with big volume, let's look at the intraday. This move up pre-market, very nice. Now, if you play pre-market, again, that's the choice you make. You bought this at 7, or not 7, 7 o'clock, bought this 425, went to 5, then it starts to fade. You don't want to wait, and it comes all the way back down. So when you play pre-market, it depends. It's really the depend situation. You have a nice run like this, then make profit. Came all the way back, and then bounce. Look at this. Bounce below 425, 409, all the way to 575. And then it came back, held that 475 level. Looks like a double top 575. So very up and down, big moves. Let's look at the weekly here. That's a big red candle. You have a high on stochastics. It's getting lower, getting lower. You're very oversold, which again, they could bring this all the way up. I believe I wrote this to 7 to 8 level, maybe 9. When you're far below, your 1320 EMA is good. And when you're high above, you want to get out. So it's the same, it's back and forth there. When you're up here, you want to get out. When you're down here, you want to get in. The monthly, still crossing down. So, where do we go from here? If there was no news, it's tough. This is moving on no news. There's a lot of traders. Has to get over 6. We get over 6, look, the 7 to 9 range. If this is a pump and nothing's there, then it's going to go back down. But we will see. 545 right now. First stop, 5, 454, and then, of course, go down to here. But watch these levels. Each 50 cents I would look at on a KPLT. 84 million float, 39% institutional ownership, 331 million market cap. Develops, operates a lease-to-own monthly payment platform to help consumers acquire durable goods at retailers in the United States. So, this is a big move. That's big, big volume. So it's very bullish when you see that volume. Let's look at the 2 hour. Nice. Look at that run right above 13 EMA. 1 hour going up. 30 minutes. See that's a bounce. Still looking good. So you're looking good from 475. I'd like to hold. So we'll watch this tomorrow. I would watch that if you're trading this, or Swing trading it. We'll see what happens here. It just came up oversold. See, that's why, again, when this starts to slide right in your screen. When this comes down and finally the selling wears off, the pressure of the bears easing up, you're going sideways. That's a great sign. It's not going down. So it's more of a consolidation and letting it go. Could this have went on a month, 2 months? Yeah. I seen a stock gap down, it was a real big one. Then it went for a year, just went sideways. It's incredible. So, watch this area. We'll see what happens. When you're buying like that, it's got to be something up. That doesn't make sense if there's nothing. Traders would just jump in, but anything's possible in the market. All right, so that is KPLT, Catapult Holdings. Please subscribe to Mike King and Trade Alerts. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notifications. Leave comments, anything else regarding stocks, any other questions is always good. Twitter, Mike J Trades. What else? I have Instagram, Mike Kim and Alerts. TikTok, Mike Kim and Trades. Stock Twits, Mike Kim and Alerts. What else? Twitch, Mike Kim and Alerts. VPN, I use Trust Zone VPN to guard your computer. So, yeah, it's something you want to look at. It's a small affiliate. They don't track or log any of your information, so it won't report anything as far as I know. So you have your information guarded well. You don't want to be tracked. If you're in, just say you're in like Korea, you can put your login information here in Canada, your IP address in America, wherever you want. Brazil, it's pretty cool. So it's always good to protect your computer. So check that out. All right, that's it. Going over some more stops. Peace.